हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल फॉर अनदर वीडियो। टाइटल देख के आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज का वीडियो किस टॉपिक पर होने वाला है। एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू कंटेंट क्रिएशन देन दिस वीडियो इज़ अ मस्ट वॉच फॉर यू। इस वीडियो में हम आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देने वाले हैं कि कौन से टूल्स आज के टाइम पर अच्छे हैं, कौन से टूल्स ईजी हैं टू यूज़ एंड कौन से टूल्स फ्री हैं, एंड ओवरऑल आपके लिए टूल सबसे अच्छा कौन सा रहेगा। अगर इससे पहले यू हैव नेवर डन वीडियो एडिटिंग देन लेट मी टेल यू इट इज़ वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग टू सिलेक्ट एंड स्टिक टू अ वीडियो एडिटिंग टूल एज मार्केट में इतने सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं एंड इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू डू रिसर्च ऑन इट। इसमें से बहुत सारे टूल्स हम खुद भी यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड वी विल बी शेयरिंग आवर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम लास्ट 4-5 ईयर्स ऑफ वीडियो एडिटिंग। वी विल बी शेयरिंग प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ ईच टूल एंड इस वीडियो को हमने कुछ सेक्शंस में डिवाइड किया है बेस्ड ऑन इफ यू आर न्यू टू वीडियो एडिटिंग या आपको थोड़ा सा ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस है। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट मेक श्योर टू हिट दैट लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन। दिस रियली मोटिवेट्स अस टू create more videos. First category is beginner friendly and mobile editors. First on our list is InShot Editor. This tool is just too good if you are new to video editing and if you want to edit on your phone or iPad. ये एक beginner friendly tool है and this is one of the perfect choice if you don't want to invest into paid tools right now. Although free versions में कुछ limitations होती हैं to use advanced features, but basic features like trim, split, adjust, speed manipulation, एडिंग म्यूजिक, साउंड इफेक्ट्स, ये सब आपको इसमें मिल जाएगा। एंड बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस टूल, इसका आपको पेड वर्जन फुल टाइम एक्सेस के लिए मिलता है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू पे मंथली और एनुअली टू कीप यूजिंग दिस टूल फॉर एवर। एंड इवन आफ्टर 4-5 years of use, I still like to create quick reels from this video editor. सेकेंड टूल जो हमारी लिस्ट पर है इज़ VN वीडियो एडिटर। अगेन दिस इज़ अ फ्री टू यूज़ सॉफ्टवेयर विद फुली लोडेड फंक्शनैलिटी एंड जनरली फ्री सॉफ्टवेयर में जब आप वीडियो एक्सपोर्ट करते हो तो एक वाटरमार्क आता है एंड इन दिस वाटरमार्क भी नहीं आएगा, विच मेक्स इट रियली पॉपुलर अमंग द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स। इस ऐप को यूज़ करना इज़ वेरी इजी एंड ये सॉफ्टवेयर डेस्कटॉप वर्जन के लिए भी अवेलेबल है। दिस इज़ अ फ्री टू यूज़ सॉफ्टवेयर, तो कभी कभी इसको यूज़ करते करते स्टेबिलिटी इश्यूज आ सकते हैं एंड एप्लीकेशन बीच में कभी कभी क्रैश करती है, बट इट इज़ स्टिल अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन फॉर द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हु आर जस्ट नॉट लुकिंग फॉर पेड ऑप्शंस। Third option on our list is iMovies and this is where I started my video editing journey as well. This tool is just available for the iOS devices. यही इसका सबसे ज़्यादा लिमिटेशन है कि ये आपको Windows पे नहीं मिलेगा। तो अगर आपके पास भी iOS devices हैं तो you can definitely use this one. This is a totally free to use software and इसका usability perspective से भी बहुत easy interface है। This tool is also very popular if you are just looking to create some basic videos with the help of trim, split, joining the video. And if you are interested in learning any video editing software in detail, let us know in the comment section. We will create a guide on that for sure. Fourth tool on our list is CapCut. ये भी एक fully free to use software है and currently ये इंडिया में banned है, तो अगर आप इंडिया से बाहर रहते हो then you can definitely go for this tool as well. This is again very easy to use software and you can create Instagram reels and YouTube shorts with that very easily. अब बात करते हैं second category की, which is intermediate level editors. And if you are new to content creation, I would suggest कि आप beginner level tools पर थोड़ा सा hands on try करो. Get familiar with all the functionality, basic functionalities, and then you come to the intermediary tools. First on the list is KineMaster. This is also a relatively easy to use application, but while exporting the video you will get a watermark, and if you want to remove that watermark you will have to pay for it. And also one thing to note over here is इस टूल को यूज़ करने के लिए you have to pay a monthly or the annual fees. इस टूल में आपको एडवांस फीचर्स मिलते हैं like keyframe animation, speed manipulation, multi-layer editing, sound VFX related, all these options आपको मिल जाती हैं। Although इसका desktop version available नहीं है and you can use this tool for creating the shorts or the reels. Next tool is Filmora and इस tool के भी आपको दोनों टाइप के versions मिल जाते हैं। One is phone editing and one is desktop editing. But इस वीडियो में we will be talking about the desktop version which is the Wondershare. Like the previous tools, अगर आप ये टूल यूज़ करते हो टू एक्सपोर्ट द वीडियोज़ तो आपको वाटरमार्क दिखेगा एंड यू हैव टू पे फॉर some amount just to get rid of that watermark. If you have some experience in video editing then this will be a very easy to use software for you and all the advanced features जो एक intermediary tool में होते हैं are available for this tool as well. If you want to purchase this tool then you can do a one-time payment, and which I really liked about this tool. Lastly in this category we have LumaFusion and this is the tool which we are currently using. This is a iOS and Mac OS only tool which means you cannot use it on the Windows devices. This is a fairly advanced tool जिसमें आपको काफ़ी सारे फीचर्स मिल जाते हैं like templates and effects, speed manipulation, keyframe animation and multi-layer editing. इस tool को सीखने के लिए you will need some time just to know about like where all the options are, and we personally use this tool on iPad and we love what it can do. We prefer creating YouTube videos with this tool, and if you want me to show like how we do that, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to show you how I do it. For this tool we paid one-time payment, but some advanced features within app require in-app purchases. Last category on our list is professional editor tools. But before we start this section, let me tell you these tools are too advanced, and just to know about these tools it will take a lot of time. These tools might seem very complicated at first, but trust me, once you get to know about all these tools, then you will know like why these are the professional tools in the market and why even filmmakers use this tool to edit videos. But you cannot use these tools on any computer or laptop. You will need a high-end configuration on your systems so that these tools will work without getting stuck. With that being said, let's start with the first tool. On this list we have first DaVinci Resolve. This software is one-stop tool for video editing, color grading, VFX and even the sound effects. And trust me, you will not need any other tool if you are using this one. Best part I love about this tool is you get a free version which is very close to the paid version, and you get almost all the functionalities in this as well. And once you feel like you have mastered the free version, then you can definitely go for the paid version. And इसका जो paid version है is available for one time purchase, so you don't have to pay the monthly or the annual fees. And I'm currently using the free version of it, and I'm really liking what this tool can do. And this tool makes my video editing experience very convenient. Next on our list is Final Cut Pro. This is developed by Apple and it is only available for the Mac users. This is an amazing tool if you have already invested into the Mac ecosystem setup. Some pros to use these tools are one-time payment solution, extremely fast rendering and export, clean interface, excellent color grading options and regular updates by the Apple. And on the other hand, there are some cons to use this application as well. This is not available for the Windows users. There will be a slight learning curve for the beginners. There is no built-in motion graphics for the editor as well. Last tool on our list is Adobe Premiere Pro, which you might have already heard of if you have already done some video editing here and there. Professional editors, filmmakers use this tool which provide deep editing power. Huge support is also there from the community which works on both Windows and Mac, but this tool comes with its own challenges. First, this is a subscription based tool and we have to pay monthly and the yearly subscription for it. Also, this tool will be too overwhelming for the beginners and it will require a lot of time for learning. I have tried many of these softwares and based on my need, I switch between the tools. For example, if we are traveling and I have to create a very quick reel, then I'll use the VN editor or the InShot on my phone. And if we are creating a YouTube video like this one, then we'll be using DaVinci Resolve or the LumaFusion. One thing I keep in mind while I'm looking for a new tool is that it should not be based on the subscription model, as we have to pay constant money for the monthly or the annual use, and for the first time creators this is a huge downside. All these tools comes with its own pros and cons, and choosing the software totally depends on what type of use you will have. You might need a different tool. Let's say you are going to create the transition videos for your travel or the fashion vlogs, and you will need a very completely different tool if you are going to create the informative videos. If you still have questions, feel free to reach to us in the comment section. We will help you out based on our experience, but I would suggest to use a free version of a tool if you are new to the content creation, and once you are comfortable, then only go for the paid version. And if you want me to show how I do the editing for our videos, then let me know in the comment section. We can definitely create a detailed video on that as well. That's it for this video. Hope you got some of your questions answered in this video. Do like and share this video with your friends who are looking for information on the editing tools, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating content.